Hello everyone, I am to rule number 2095180302. My tech talk concept on kinematics of machinery is fuel cell hybrid electric scooter. Let's go on to the topic. First of all, what is fuel cell? A cell capable of generating electricity by converting chemical energy of fuel directly into electrical energy. In simple words, it's an electrochemical device which converts chemical energy to electrical energy. Parts of fuel cell are anode, cathode, catalyst, electrolyte. Anode is a negative post of the fuel cell. It is the electrode where oxidation takes place. It conducts the electrons that are freed from the hydrogen molecule so that they can be used in the external circuit. It has channels attached into it that disperse hydrogen gas equally over the surface of the catalyst. Cathode is quite opposite to the anode. Cathode is positive post of the fuel cell. It has channel H into it, distributed the oxygen to the surface of the catalyst. It also conducts the electrons back from the external circuit to catalyst, where they can recombine with the hydrogen ions and oxygen to form water. Catalyst is a chemical substance which increases rate of reaction. Catalyst is special material that facilitates the reaction of oxygen and hydrogen. It is usually made of platinum powder, very thinly coated onto carbon paper or cloth. The catalyst is rough and porous so that the maximum surface area of platinum can be exposed to the hydrogen or oxygen. Electrolyte, a substance that contains charged ions from one electrode to other in a fuel cell. Electrolyte is also known as proton exchange membrane. It is a specially treated material that only conducts positively charged ions. The membrane blocks electrons. And mechanism of the fuel cell. Fuel cell consists of two electrodes, anode and cathode. Hydrogen and oxygen are fed into the cell. Catalyst at anode causes hydrogen atoms to give up electrons, leaving positively charged protons. Oxygen ions at cathode side attract the hydrogen protons. And we forward the process. Here is the picture of mechanism of the fuel cell. And classification of fuel cell are working temperature set: low temperature 25 to 100 degrees centigrade, medium temperature 100 to 500, high temperature 500 to 1000, very high temperature above 1000 degrees centigrade. Regenerative fuel cell. It is a fuel cell in which fuel product required into its reactants. It uses solar energy to separate water into hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen and oxygen are fed into the fuel cell, generating electricity, heat and water again. This process is continued, so this is called as regenerative fuel cell. This is the photo of a regenerative fuel cell. Importance of hydrogen in fuel cell. Fuel cell is required highly purified hydrogen as fuel because it has only one electron surrounding its nucleus. It is easy to remove the one electron and causes high energy release which can be used. Advantages of fuel cell. They can be installed near the use point, thereby reducing the transmission losses. They have few mechanical components, so less attention and less maintenance is required. Atmospheric pollution is negative. Usually the primary energy source is hydrogen. As fuel cells don't make noise, they can be installed in residential areas. The fuel cell takes little time to go under operation. Space required by fuel cell is considerably less comparable to other convenient methods. Disadvantages. Main disadvantages of fuel cell is high initial cost. Fuel cells have low service life. Hydrocarbon is the energy source in the fuel cell, then it emits carbon dioxide and no longer a green source. It's comparatively expensive. It's difficult to handle pure hydrogen. Applications of fuel cell. Domestic use, central power stations, automotive vehicles, special applications. This is the technology used in transportation, like hybrid buses. And our main topic is hybrid electric vehicle. It's a vehicle which relies not only on batteries but also on internal combustion engine which drives a generator to provide the electricity and may also drive a wheel. It has great advantages over the previously used gasoline engine that drives the power from gasoline only. It's a major source of air pollution. The objective is design and fabricate a two-wheeler hybrid electric vehicle powered by both battery and gasoline. The combination of both power makes the vehicle dynamic in nature over conventional automobiles. Hybrid electric vehicles combine an electric motor, battery and power system with an internal combustion engine to achieve better fuel economy and reduce toxic emissions. Equipment and their cost analysis are done. Deals with fabrication of vehicle. Final stage would consist of increasing the efficiency of vehicle in economic ways. Here is the picture of a fuel cell hybrid electric vehicle, two-wheeler. These are the labeled parts of the fuel cell hybrid electric scooter. First one, tire, hub motor, suspension, headlamp, body cover, display, microcontroller, hub motor controller, seat, engine, front battery, fuel tank, chassis, rear type, transmission, battery. These are the parts labeled number from 1 to 16 respectively. Vehicle at lower speed act as front wheel drive and have straight gear switch to rear wheel drive automatically component. In figure shows the attachment of tire with the hub motor. There is no need of any gear reduction since the torque produced is sufficient to drive the vehicle. The axle of the motor is connected to the suspension. And suspension is connected to the handle which is connected to the main chassis. Accessories such as headlamp display are included as user aid. A microcontroller powered up battery perform the switching from electric to internal combustion or vice versa as per the requirement. It senses throttle position and controls the hub motor speed via controller circuit and the IC engine via servo motor to control speed of the rear wheel. Electric bike series 100 is a model of fuel cell hybrid electric vehicle. Due to spare constraints, two batteries are placed in front and two batteries near fuel tank engine. Is connected to the main chassis and seat is situated above the engine. CVT is connected to the crankshaft of the engine to avoid any shocks while switching, and it makes the controlling simpler and easier. In HEV, the battery alone provides power for low speed driving conditions within no combination and at least efficient. In accelerating, passing, the hill climbing where high power is required, battery provides power to electric motor as an additional power to assist the engine. These are the pictures. This is a hybrid electric vehicle engine design. Conclusions. It's most efficient in urban areas, mainly in high traffic where gasoline engines are least efficient as the energy from gasoline is being wasted away from the creates pollution. Thus, currently, society mostly depends on petroleum as major source for vehicle propulsion. The electric vehicle is not very efficient for all power conditions. That is, it cannot provide power for high speed conditions. Through the project, a hybrid method of the vehicle is proposed which utilizes the efficiency of both the vehicles. The method is implemented in two-wheel vehicles that are mostly preferred by public. Thus, proper manufacturing and cost analysis can make the vehicle a major breakthrough. That's all for my topic. Thank you.